Hello viewers, how are you? Today we'll be continuing a brief introduction about Asterisk, and today we'll be talking about real-time connectivity of Asterisk, that is with PSTN or Voice over IP network. With Asterisk, you can do telephony in new ways, connecting employees working from home to the office PBX over broadband connections, connecting offices in various states over Voice over IP, internet, or a private IP network, giving all employees voicemail integrated with the web and their email, building interactive voice application that connect to your ordering system or other in-house applications, giving access to the company PBX for business travelers, connecting over VPN from airport or hotel wireless LAN hotspot. So this is all about real-time connectivity for the Asterisk. In the next lecture, we will be talking about the channels, what are the basic details about the channels that we'll be using for Asterisk.